Extensive research has shed light on the intricate relationship between our gut bacteria and the development of various diseases. If you're curious about how the trillions of bacteria in your gut may influence multiple sclerosis and how it's being researched as a potential treatment option, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to look at the relationship between the gut microbiome and its influence on multiple sclerosis and how fecal microbiota transplantation is being researched as a potential treatment option. Did you know that your gut is host to a bustling community of trillions of microorganisms? These microscopic inhabitants are what collectively is known as the gut microbiome and has been shown to impact our health and play a role in the development of many chronic conditions. Recent research has revealed a potential link between the gut microbiome and multiple sclerosis. Emerging evidence shows that the gut microbiome plays a role in modulating the immune system and maintaining the body's delicate balance. Disruption in this delicate balance within the body and the immune system may play a potential role in the onset or progression of multiple sclerosis. Though clinical research is scarce and inconclusive, there are some consistent findings in the research, such as differences in the composition and diversity of the gut bacteria, as well as reduced amounts of short-chain fatty acid-producing bacteria in those with MS. While these are smaller findings, they do seem to indicate that the gut microbiome may play a role in the progression or onset of MS. So, how does fecal microbiota transplantation, or FMT, fit into all of this? While the exact mechanisms are still being unraveled, evidence suggests that an imbalance in the gut microbiome could contribute to the inflammation and damage experienced by individuals with MS. And that's where FMT can come in. FMT is a therapeutic approach that uses specially prepared stool material from a healthy donor and transfers it into a recipient's gastrointestinal tract. FMT has gained interest as a potential treatment for MS in its ability to modulate the gut microbiota and potentially influence the immune system's response. While research on FMT and MS is still in its early stages and human trials are limited, some early pilot clinical trials have demonstrated some exciting results, showing that FMT appears to be safe, well tolerated, and able to improve the composition of the gut microbiome in patients with MS. In a recent small clinical trial, FMT treatment in individuals with relapse-remitting MS, or RRMS, were shown to provide sustained and durable impacts on the gut microbiome composition, as well as the clinical features of MS over the 52-week study period. These positive changes included improvements in gait and walking and balance, as well as a maintained gut microbiome composition and GI symptoms, as well as no relapsing of RRMS symptoms. This is nothing short of thrilling and is really motivating to highlight the need for more clinical research for the possibility of FMT as an MS treatment option. The gut microbiome's role in multiple sclerosis provides a novel avenue for potential therapies. While FMT as a therapeutic option for MS is still in its early stages, it's a very exciting experimental treatment avenue. The more research is needed to understand the safety, efficacy, and long-term impacts of FMT for the treatment of MS. This scientific journey is just beginning, and who knows, the potential treatment for MS might be in our gut. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to read more about this topic or find out where this information came from, check out the link in our description to our blog. And if you want more gut health tips or more educational content around the gut microbiome, connect with us on social media.